What's the meaning of complainant? Complainant. Complainant.
Complainant. Complainant. A complainant is a person who makes a formal complaint, typically to a legal or governing authority. This individual is the one who accuses another person or entity of wrongdoing, and they provide details of the alleged offense in their complaint. The complainant's role is to initiate an investigation into the matter and seek resolution or justice. By bringing attention to the issue, the complainant may prompt action or change. It is important for complaints to be taken seriously and investigated thoroughly, as they can reveal problems that require attention and correction.